Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a program to print sum of digits of a number in Python. So given a number that is an integer type as input to the Python program, so your task is to print the sum of all the digits of the number. That is, you have to calculate the sum of digits from a given number and you have to print it onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a number variable and ask a user to enter a number. So I'll be using the input function call, and here let's say enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so it will be of string type. So let's convert it into an integer. Yeah, so once we get a number variable, so let's take another variable in order to store the sum of digits. So let's take total and initialize it to 0. So we will be using this total variable to store the sum of digits of a number. So now we'll be iterating all the numbers, that is all the digits present in the number. So let's use a while loop to iterate, that is while number is greater than 0. So you have to take out the last digit from the number and keep adding it to the total variable. So in order to take the last digit, so let's take a variable that is last digit equals to the given number and modulate it with the 10. So this will give us the last digit from the number and we have to add it to the total variable. Let's take total and plus equals to last digit. Yes, once we get the last digit and add it to the total, so we have to remove the last digit from the number. So let's take number variable, that is number equals to number, and perform the true division in order to remove the last digit from the number. Yeah, so once the while loop completes, so you will be having the sum of digits of a number stored in this variable, that is total. So let's use a print function to print the total. Print and let's say the sum of digits of given number is, let's give colon and let's print the total variable. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the sum of digits of a number. So let me execute it and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so enter a number, so let's give 1 2 3. So you can see the sum of digits of a given number is 6. So let me execute it again, and here let's say 0 5000, sorry 5 5001. So you can see the sum of digits of a given number is 6, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. So let me execute again. So here let's say 1 1 2 2 3 3. So you can see sum of digits of a given number is 12, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print sum of digits of a number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.